happening in the news. So let's take a deep dive. Let's find out what's been happening in the news concerning MicroAlgo. So you can see there we've got a chart, page from the stock exchange. This should be from it should be Yahoo Finance, if I'm not mistaken, or Session. MicroAlgo Inc. They are listed on the NASDAQ. We read that. Announced to jointly establish a micro consciousness quantum research center with WiMi, NASDAQ WiMi. So there we go. MicroAlgo Inc. So this is just news that what's been going on, coming out a few days ago on June the 4th. You guys can go look it up as well. Let me see. You can just go on Google right now, type MicroAlgo. I'm sure all these things, yes, it's there from 2 days ago. Actually, marketbusinessinsider.com also has it. Yep, so it's been widely reported. Google Finance. So this is a big move that they did. And this made their stock soar. Actually, this collaboration that they did, it made their stock price soar. Because I'm seeing here, Yahoo Finance has WiMi announced to jointly establish a micro consciousness quantum research center with MicroAlgo. That is at Yahoo Finance. A journal transcript: MicroAlgo Inc. and WiMi announced joint establishment of micro consciousness quantum research. And so, and also from there are so many articles about this, so you guys can go and read if you want. Okay. So we also have this one. This one is really important, which says MicroAlgo's stock soars usually on a research collaboration initiative. We'll talk about this one later. Let's go back to our presentation. So MicroAlgo Inc., MLGO, the company or MicroAlgo, today announced the MicroAlgo and WiMi will jointly establish a micro-consciousness quantum research center. It will integrate physics, mathematics, medicine, genetics, computer science, biology, polymer, chemistry, philosophy, psychology, sociology, and many other disciplines to form a comprehensive research institute based on various disciplines centered on consciousness. As soon as the news came out, MLG rose as high as over 700%. Imagine a stock jumping or rising its price over 700%. As soon as they announced this news came out, their stock jumped up by 700%. So you can see there a plus on the chart there. It's a plus 700%, plus 669.87%, roughly 700. And also, yeah, so that's MicroAlgo closing at 4 p.m. So they closed pretty strong. They had an upside of $10, so they gained $10.45. And then this was at when business closed at 4:10 p.m. edit. So I think this is when the news just came out, and then this caused a spike or a soar in the price. But then also we have after hours trading. You can see that there was sort of like a decline there, 870, and also a minus 3.31% decline, which is 27.56%. So you can already see how the stock performed on that one day. When it opened, when stocks opened, you see it was trading at around $5. Around $5. This is from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. But on this day, the highest that they had was almost close to $15. You can see there the highest peak was. So it was going up. You notice that beginning around 10 o'clock, the stock started soaring up. The price of stock started going up, and it reached a peak of almost $15. I'm thinking. Let me really see. Yes, about around $15, and then it's around 12 o'clock. It fell down, but it traded steadily. It fell down by about half the price. I'm thinking here, and it maintained stability, and then it closed at 870. So I think it closed well. It closed, that is after hours trading, after hours closure. So it closed at a better price compared to the price that it opened at. Okay, because it opened around $5. So there were gains. There were gains for this stock. Okay, there were gains for this stock. So you can see there. And also I have another article here, MicroAlgo Inc. Stock surged on the US markets today following the company's announcement of a joint research initiative focused on micro-consciousness and quantum mechanics. As of the latest market updates, MLG shares witnessed a staggering 359.07% increase, reaching a price of 7. So this was earlier on. This is when the news just came out, and so these people at Stock Telegraph, they just publish it, and they're saying, but that time the shares had gone up by 359% and had reached a price of 722. So this is before that what you see in the graph there. This is before 12 o'clock. This is before 12 o'clock. So if you notice closely, around 10 o'clock, just about 10 o'clock, thereabout, 10 o'clock going into 11, the stock was at $7.50. Do you see that part? 10 o'clock at the bottom there, you look just above 10 o'clock, you see that the price was around $7.50. This is when they produced this article, 722, 750 thereabout. So that just that announcement that they did, that collaboration, it helped boost their stock price. So this is, it's news, guys. You know, with the stock exchange and with this company and with stocks, any news of any major acquisition or merger or partnership, it causes stock prices to soar or go up. Okay, there you go. But then when it closed, it went back to 870, which is still, it gained. So the stock gained, because if you look